Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a regular photo into a trending Halloween comic style image. It's super easy, fun, and completely free using CapCut. Okay, let's dive in. First, just open your CapCut like this, and then on the bottom menu, just tap on templates. Here you will see a tons of ready-made effects and styles. And then in the search bar, just tap on AI filter Halloween. Make sure you pick the ones labeled AI. These are powered by AI, so they will give the best result for transforming your photo into a comic style Halloween effect. On this tutorial, maybe I want to pick this one. Just tap on it like this. Next, just tap on use template or use AI template. As you can see on here, for free user will get 5 chains to generate the AI template, this AI template. So don't worry, you can still try this template even without paying anything. Just tap on it and then just choose your photo like this, and then after that just tap on next, then wait for the process. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your photo is now a trending Halloween comic masterpiece. Just look at this color and then the shadow and then the colorful, but it has a spooky vibe. It's so amazing, right? And okay, maybe that's it. A quick, free, and easy way to turn your regular photo into a Halloween comic using CapCut. Okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.